This 2022 Keystone Raptor 351th is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, oven, slide-out, water heater, TV, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Raptor 351th is 13,373 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.